Hi everyone, welcome back to Aunt Dee's Country Kitchen. Today it is fall and I am so grateful for it. I am going to make you the red beans and rice that I make. This one's an old-timey recipe. My mom used to make it and her mom used to make it and now I'm making it. Is you will need 4 ham hocks if you like a lot of meat. I like a lot of meat, and these are big ham hocks, as you can see. They are so pretty. So you will need 3 or 4, but I'm going to use 4 of these. And what I will do, I'm going to take them out of the bag, wash them, and then I've prepared this bucket. This is an Instant Pot. If you've never owned an Instant Pot, you will never not have it again. It's the best thing that ever happened to me. You can make red beans and rice, stews, roast. It makes the most tenderest roast ever. And tasty, everything you cook in it, it takes the flavor right back into it. So I love the Instant Pots, the digital. I wouldn't give you a nickel. Now this water, I've already added this. I just put this out. This is that, I can't believe that it's bouillon. And I've used a cup of the bouillon. I've mixed up a cup of it for the bottom, and actually we're wanting to cook these ham hocks, and we want to get them tender first before we go to the next stage. And we will I will wash them and just put them in the pot. And let me go ahead and do that now, that way they're already prepared. Whoops, I don't want to drop that. It's an easy thing to cook red beans. Oh my goodness, especially with that thing. Now, it used to not be. I'm washing this real good, the ham hock. That is just one massive, that was one bad pig. I'd hate to meet him on the highway. That is beautiful. I don't know if he was wild or domesticated, but it was a heck of a ham hock. On the 30 minutes, they will cook for 30 minutes in this pot. Mine only goes to 30 minutes. It'll go for 30 minutes, and then I will take it back around from the next 30 minutes. But you'll put those beans in there too. I'm putting the ham hocks in the bottom because I'd rather them cook first. And the beans will automatically swell. I may put 3 because these are pretty damn big. I think I will. I'm just going to put 3 of the ham hocks in. We'll set this one to the side. You, my friend, will go into the collards. Now these beans, I've already washed them, went through them, and we're going to put the beans in there. It is amazing what this does. It truly is. This machine is something else. Okay, the spices that I'm going to use to pre-cook them is a heaping of garlic. You want 1 small onion or a large one, it doesn't matter, and salt and garlic. I mean pepper and garlic. That's the first round of getting these ham hocks ready for supper. I can smell them now. I'll have to make some good cornbread, that old-fashioned cornbread. Okay, that's as simple as it is to this. 1 onion, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then a heaping tablespoon of the chopped garlic. And this is what you'll want, maybe a quart of water. You'll want your water to be about right there before you close the crock pot. And we'll say 3 ham hocks and a pound of red beans. We're gonna let those cook for 30 minutes. And then after they cook, we will do the next stage for our red beans and rice. So hold on. There's another one coming. Remember, it is 3 ham hocks or 4. Just how many ever you can pile into this would be great. And the seasonings for it is 1 tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 medium onion, and the roast beef bouillon. Well, it says it's better than bouillon. That's what I use because it's more concentrated with flavor. You want to use a teaspoon of that and mix it with the water. And then you want to have the crock pot of water about up to there after the stuff's in it. Your crock pot will be there. You don't want it to go all the way top. But anyway, it's real simple, and we will start this section first, and then we'll go to the section 2 of how to make red beans and rice. Okay, I forgot to put some of the spice mix in this. And I use a teaspoon of this off the first because we're mainly wanting to cook those ham hocks right now. And if you've never used these, I have containers of this stuff. It is so good for your beans, any kind of beans. Oh, I hope I can get this off. Sometimes these lids are a little tough to get off. I don't know why I put them back. I should just leave it like it is. There, leave it off. This is one of the ones I hadn't used yet. That's why that lid was on there. If you've never used this, you will. Pinto bean seasoning. I mean, it is really good. And what I do is I just put a big teaspoon in there. Then later, I will probably put 1/4 cup in the last round of it. Okay, we are going to put the lid on it again. I have hard times with these lids. There it goes. All right, now it's on start again, and we're ready to go. I'll see you in a bit.